In your brand kit, you have a folder called Brand Templates. This is where all of your brand templates are located, but this folder is going away as of October 2023. Here's what you need to do to make sure that these stay organized. First, go to your projects and create a new folder. I'm going to name mine Brand Templates New. I'm going to move my existing brand templates from the brand templates folder to my new brand template folder. I do have to do these individually, so I'll click on the three dots, click on Move to Folder, and move them to my brand templates folder. Now I can go into my projects, I can go to my folders, I can find my brand templates new, and find the 3 templates that I moved. This will make it easier when Canva gets rid of the brand template folder because now they won't just be in your long list of files.